Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy pasta at home. To begin, selecting the right ingredients is absolutely crucial for a delicious outcome. Opt for high-quality pasta, fresh garlic, and your favorite herbs. A short pasta shape, such as penne or rigatoni, works wonderfully as it holds the creamy sauce exceptionally well. This foundation ensures a rich and satisfying meal. Next, let's build our creamy sauce. Start by gently sautéing finely minced garlic and shallots in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Then, deglaze the pan with approximately 1/4 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, pour in 1 cup of rich heavy cream or a suitable dairy-free option and let it gently simmer. The secret to ultimate creaminess lies in this step. Before draining your pasta, reserve about 1 cup of the starchy cooking water. Gradually add this reserved water to your simmering sauce, along with about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This creates a beautiful emulsion. Then, toss your perfectly cooked, al dente pasta directly into the sauce, ensuring every strand is coated. To serve, garnish your creamy pasta with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or basil for a pop of color and aroma. For a heartier meal, consider adding about 6 ounces of cooked chicken or shrimp. Don't hesitate to customize. Try different cheeses like Pecorino Romano or even a touch of nutmeg for a unique twist. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly creamy pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.